Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to December Daily, day number 26. So today I have these two photos of my mom and I at a garden. This represents a visit that I made to some friends. This is an actual truck that he owns that they decorated, like the little red truck with the tree in it. This is a cute little mug my mom gave me, so I want to talk about that. And then this is a light thing that we did. I'm going to do a bigger story in my 12 by 12 albums about this and this for sure. But I think it'll be nice. And I was sad, I forgot to get a picture of all of us at this, so that's why I'm using this red truck, because it was an important thing. I was seeing some clients. But anyway, so some of these will be bigger stories than what they are here. So I've already glued these 3x4s together here and here, so I'm going to pull them out. And then these two photos are not true 4x6s, and one is bigger than the other, so I can't just glue them back to back. And even if I did, they'd slide around in here a lot. So I want to find some paper to use with this, and I'm thinking about I haven't used a ton of this, so I'm thinking about going into this, and I'm thinking green. So that's cool, but it pulls, there's so much of this pattern that you don't see that I don't think that that's the right solution. We do have a green heart here though, and I like that. And I can always cut this a little bit more if I decide it's taking up not enough. And I think I'm just going to do the same pattern back to back here. So that'll be easy. This is a 6x8. So, 6 by 8.5 it is. Okay. So I need to make one of these a 4 by, okay. So now I have a little bit of a piece there left over. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these back to back. Forgot those are 6 by 8.5, not 6 by 8, which is actually kind of nice. And then the little red truck, I really think I want to see the hearts on both sides of these, because I could do this, but I think I want to see the hearts on both sides. The other reason I wanted to use green on this is because there's quite a bit of green up here as well. So I think that that makes sense. And there's a lot going on in that, but I think it's okay. And like I said, I could cut this down a little bit. I think I might. This is my mom's face over here. It might be hard for you to see, but I can see it really well in here in real life. Okay, then, so let's address this first. I know I need a number right away. So these photos are so busy. I'm thinking maybe here, and I'm also thinking, I was wondering, I don't know that I want to do wood on this, but here's some wood phrases just in case. I mean, that would go with some of that as well too. So like making merry would go really well. Oh, maybe let's look at this and see if I think like celebrate the season would be fun here. And then, so if I do that here, let's think about what I want to do here. Actually, celebrate the season would actually gather together would be better here. And then celebrate the season would be really good down here. Now that I think about that. And I kind of like the way that sits on the photograph that way. There is another piece here that says twinkle. That would be good. And then let's see, December memories. These are flatter, so I'm going to look at these. These are from Colorcast Designs just to see if I like anything better here. Like twinkling lights would be really good here, because that's what this is all. Actually, I'm going to do this because I see another one I can use for the other side. So let's do this, and I forget that these have sticky backs here. If I can get them off. I actually have a little bit of a fingernail right now, so I should be able to get them off easily, but it's not happening. I haven't had a lot of problems with these. There we go. I just couldn't catch the edge. That's my fault, not this piece's fault. So I'm just going to put this little twinkling lights down here. Okay. Then I'm going to come back to this side, and then I'll do December Memories here. I could also do a Very Merry up here. Why not? I do need to get my number in though, right? And this is day 26, so it will have to come. So December Memories. And a Very Merry came from the Very Merry COVID Christmas is what it said. So that's the opener to my book. Now I also could have put these inside the pocket. Oh. Okay, so I was not thinking about this when I did this, you guys. That was the back. Okay, so let's see. This one was here. Let me make sure. Okay. Luckily, that ended up okay because they're still across from each other, and that's really what I wanted to do. And I'm going to put them in because I didn't want them under each other here, because I really think I'm not going to really do anything here. There's so much going on in this. I think it's perfect the way it is, but I do want to get a number, and there are. So Ellie Studio does go to day 31. So that is awesome. So maybe I could use this green one here or down here or up here. Then I feel like I need to do something somewhere else. Okay, I think the label is not going to work on this particular one. I think it's a little bit too much. It's too much like the other labels, and it looks like I don't know, was trying or... So I have these. I love these two photographs so much. I really don't want to put anything on it. And if I put something down here, I'm going to cover up this plant, and it's a cactus. And I like that because I was in Arizona when I took these photos. So I like the idea that that's a cactus. So what I'm thinking about doing maybe is putting it here. Thing is once it goes on here, it's not coming off. So actually, I'm going to do this here. I think it blends in with that paper, and there's a big white spot from somebody's light here. So I think that will work great. Yeah, I actually end up liking how that is. Kind of takes care of that dead spot in the photo there as well too. I do have these hearts here. Let's see. So I could put that there as well too. Could also do it up in here. I have two red hearts, so it's hard to get it in here because, well, and then that would also not be, let's do it this way, because then it'll be across from each other. Then let's come back to this and see, do we want to do, I have the light green and I have the dark green that I could use here as well. So I kind of like that. Okay, and this one's on the outside, that one's on the inside. I'll fix that when I come back to it. Okay, I think that's good right there. So the two that are on the outside I'll fix. I'm going to pull them on the inside. But at least this way, you can kind of see what's going on. All right, so the two hearts, the little December memories, and that's as simple as this is. I have a lot of journaling to do, but because I'm a little bit behind in videos, I'll come back and do that. That's something that I don't leave. I've got, I just have a couple work days this week, and then I've got lots of time this weekend. So I'll come back and journal about those things then, and you'll see at the end of this all, I'm going to do a complete flip through of the album, and you'll be able to see it at that point. So, all right, you guys, there we go. That is day number 26, back to back there. We'll see you all tomorrow with day number 27. Bye, everybody.